Ang yaw-yan ay hindi karate, hindi kung fu, hindi taekwondo, hindi thai boxing o jeet kune do. Ang yaw-yan ay mas advanced kaysa binanggit ko kanina. Kasi ang pinag-aaralan ng karate at saka yaw-yan ay magkaiba. Ang pinag-aaralan ng karate ay tinatawag nilang kata o mga blocking. Dito sa yaw-yan, ang pinag-aaralan ng yaw-yan ay direkta, street fighting.
There is no substitute for the ultimate is what's in store. Bear witness to the fitness of the modern warrior.
Ang sipa ng yaw-yan ay 45 kicks, hindi pa kasama ang suntok, elbow, at saka tuhod.
Here they go. Another hit is landed. Another hit is landed. When the bell rings, there is nowhere to hide. The one who succeed has to come from inside. Another hit is landed. Another hit is landed. The cell of a sniper, the strength of a viper, the training, the challenge, the ultimate fighter.
Dito sa amin sa yaw-yan, ang yaw-yan ang nagdodominate ng full contact tournament. Sa tinatawag na larong kickboxing, ang yaw-yan ang nagcha-champion. Ang yaw-yan na tinatag noong 1972 ni Grandmaster Napoleon Fernandez dito sa Pilipinas. Ang yaw-yan ay hindi galing sa dayuhan, sariling atin ito.
You gotta train to stay ahead of the game. Gotta use your brain. You want glory and fame. Gotta use your pride so you can stay alive. You cannot bend if you wanna contend. You gotta train to stay ahead of the game.